Hey guys, sorry for the quality here. Just want to let you know in case you have a Windows PC and this happens to you. Windows literally took not just my PC, but my hardware hostage. This is a custom desktop. I got tired of Windows crap, like I'm sure a lot of you have, with random updates and all the other BS that they do. I mean, installing an update while you're in the middle of a game, why not? You know, you're not doing anything. Just go for it. Installing an update while you're in the middle of editing a video, yeah, of course. Computer's not doing anything. Go for it. So, here's what happened. So this is Linux, I'm on Nobara, and I want you guys to see this drive here. I'm trying to set up my Plex server, and the two things that we're focused on are over here where it says Bitlocker. I never set up Bitlocker on my desktop, ever. Didn't set it up. Don't know the recovery keys because I never set it up. So this should have been an easy plug and play. I already had the files on the drive, but I'm over here pulling my hair out trying to figure out why I can't get Plex to read my drives, and when I look into the drive information, this is what we see. Bitlocker is on them. What's weird, sorry about that, what's weird is over here, this is the file explorer in Linux. Again, I'm in Nobara right now, and it recognizes these two drives. These are game save files. Can't even access those at all. Doesn't matter the password. If we go for it, I can enter the password again. It's going to tell me it can't access it because it's looking for a specific Bitlocker decryption key. Plex, it recognizes the named drive. I can dive in here to my TV shows. I can play them directly, but I can't zip these files to move them out. I can't copy in here. I can't paste. I can't do anything. Can't even create a text file. Tried all the different commands and different things like that to add access, but Bitlocker is what's blocking it, which just became apparent with, if I pull this screen back up here, became apparent when looking into the drive that Windows decided just to add it. So not a big deal. Bitlocker keys are supposed to be tied to your Microsoft account, right? Well, funny thing about that is these are my Bitlocker keys from 2021 from a couple of laptops. So these are not the correct recovery keys. I don't even know what they go to or even if they're relevant at this point. That's why I don't mind showing you guys on video. But just a little heads up that if you haven't got off of Windows yet, you might want to try. But before you do so, make sure you remove Bitlocker. So this is going to be a fun little project that I'll be pursuing to figure out how to get Bitlocker off, and somehow I have to reinstall Windows or go back to another Windows PC just to remove Bitlocker because there's no way to just remove it without wiping the drive. And this drive over here with all my Plex media on it has, if we just jump in here to properties, we got over 1 terabyte of data on there. So definitely don't want to wipe that drive and go and reinstall the data and blah 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 blah. So make sure you take some backups, put them somewhere safe. Windows is holding your PC hostage. Thanks, Microsoft.